Hello. For the patients who have tested positive for COVID-19 but who have no symptoms or very mild symptoms, Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital has made a video for such patients. According to the new regulations of the government, home isolation will now be possible for COVID-19 positive people. But let us first understand to whom this home isolation applies. If the patient's home has a separate room in which the patient can isolate himself, possibly separate toilet-bathroom facilities, isolation is applicable for such patients. All those patients who are identified for the home isolation have to give an undertaking. After this, their hands will be stamped, and the date till you have to stay in isolation will be mentioned according to that date. Remember that this particular person or patient is not expected to leave the room until that date. This should be followed very strictly. But what can happen if these people have a problem? If they feel short of breath or can't walk straight for 3 minutes. Or they may want to go to the hospital if they have a body ache or a high fever. In case of any problem, you can contact the 24-hour helpline of the hospital. The helpline number is 0204015160. 0204015160. From the first time you have a fever or the day your RT-PCR test report comes back positive, you will have to stay in isolation for the next 17 days. You will be given a COVID self-care kit after your examination at Dinanath Hospital COVID Isolation OPD. The kit includes finger pulse oximeter, surgical mask, thermometer, surgical gloves, sodium hypochlorite effervescent tablets, and plastic disposal bag will be provided. These patients need someone unaffected to take their care at home 24 hours. This person needs to download Arogya Setu or Mahakavach app on mobile with its Bluetooth location services continuous on. Relatives of these patients should be in constant touch with the hospital or doctors. In case of aggravation of any symptoms, the patient should be brought to the hospital. Let us now look at what cares patient in home isolation needs to take. First and foremost, you need to use a surgical triple-layer mask regularly. Triple-layer mask should be used properly. It needs to be changed every 8 hours. If it gets wet or damaged for any reason within 8 hours, it needs to be replaced immediately. First of all, understand the outside and inside of the mask. The mask has a metallic strip on top. Cover the nose and mouth completely and tie the upper strands of the mask. Then tie the bottom strands so that there is no gap anywhere between the face and the mask. Then tighten the grip by pressing the metallic strip with your finger. After using surgical mask, you need to soak it in 1% sodium hypochlorite solution for at least 45 minutes. And then it has to be disposed of properly. Pour 1 liter of water into a clean pot. Add 3 sodium hypochlorite tablets and make 1% solution at home. When removing the mask, remove the bottom strands and then remove the top strands, without handling the mask too much. Disinfect it in home-made 1% hypochlorite solution. To make this mask completely disinfected, soak the mask for at least 40 minutes. Disinfected mask and surgical gloves must be kept in the disposable bag provided in the kit. It should be sealed and disposed of properly. A patient registered at Dinanath Hospital can bring up to 1 kilogram of bio-waste gathered in 17 days to the hospital. Don't forget to bring your registration receipt at that time. You need to keep your belongings clean while you are in home isolation. Frequently wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 40 seconds. If you are using alcohol-based sanitizer, use it on dry hands. You should be careful and do not spit or cough in the open. Keep a proper diet and drink plenty of water so that the body retains hydrated. If there is a senior person in your household who has very high blood pressure or diabetes or kidney disease or heart disease, you need to stay away from them. Clean the floor of your room as well as the door handles. Bathroom handles, bathroom faucets with 1% hypochlorite solution by yourself. Deep 12 tablets of hypochlorite in 5 liters of water to make a 1% solution. This solution can be used to clean basin faucet, basin, toilet commode and doorknobs. Patient need to soak own clothes in soapy water for at least 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, with new gloves. After taking and squeezing those clothes. Give it for regular washing. You need to take all the medicines properly as prescribed by your doctor. If there is any problem like fever or severe body aches, or if you find that you are having trouble breathing, you need to contact the hospital immediately. Turn on the finger pulse oximeter to monitor oxygenation in the body. By placing the index finger in it, you will know the exact amount of oxygen. If the label is below 94%, it is important to notify your doctor immediately. In addition, it is very important to measure your temperature twice a day with the help of thermometer. If the temperature is above 98.6, then contact the hospital. The patient should keep the windows open in his room. And instead of constantly sleeping, should do a little jogging, yoga, breathing exercises, etc. Such patients should watch the video of Sukshma Yoga and Pranayama on YouTube channel of Dinanath Hospital. The caretaker and other members in the house also need to take extreme care. They also need to use a surgical triple layer mask. This mask also needs to be changed every 8 hours. The patient's caretaker should use surgical gloves. While wearing the gloves, avoid touching the outside. Remove the gloves after work done, without touching the outside. Disinfect it with 1% hypochlorite. The caretaker needs to see to that the person in home isolation takes medicines timely. While the patient is in home isolation, he needs to be fed in his room. You should use a triple layer mask to clean the patient's towel and dish. Once all these things are properly cleaned, they can be reused. The patient's caregiver should place dish on a stool outside the door and go far from there. The patient should then open the door and close the door immediately after taking the dish. The patient should wash and clean his own dishes with soap. Then put on a new glove and put it back on the stool and close the door again. Caretakers should wear new gloves and pick them up. Caretaker or anyone who comes in contact with the patient needs to have a self-examination of their health. If they start feeling any discomfort or any symptoms of COVID, they should contact their medical official immediately.